Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two SEO tools platform, which is SEO ranking and writing tools. So to get started with the review about these two SEO tools platform. So to get started, the SEO ranking in 2025 has become a go-to all-in-one SEO platform, offering a keyword research, site audit, backlink tracking, rank monitoring, and competitors analysis in one clean interface. It also supports multi-project management and a white label reporting, making it a popular and agencies in a house team who want deep SEO details and automation to grow traffic without juggling multiple tools. Driving tools, meanwhile, lean towards being a broad marketing dashboard alongside the SEO audit and a keyword tracking. It pulls in PPC stat, social media metric, and a client reporting features, making it a good fit for agencies that need cross-channel data in one place. And here's the very conclusion. In 2025, you can go with SEO ranking if you want a dedicated feature-rich SEO suite focused on improving ranking and traffic, but choose driving tools if your priority is multi-channel reporting and managing diverse marketing campaign for clients. And that's it. Hope you find the video a little bit helpful. If you did, don't know the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.